I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Sentra key fob battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is widely available. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver. This tool will help you gently open the key fob without causing damage. Having these items ready makes the process quick and easy. Now let's open the key fob. Begin by sliding out the physical key. This reveals a small slot. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Take your time to ensure a smooth opening. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the physical key back into its slot. Now, test all the buttons to ensure your key fob is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.